Welcome everybody, Marcus Stone here. In this video you will learn how you can set up default channels in Slack. So let's start. First, what you want to do is click here and then go to administration and click here on workspace settings. When you're right here, what you want to do is just click here default channels and click on expand. Now you got it, like choose the channels new members will be automatically be added to in addition to general, and you can just choose whatever you got. So I'm going to close this down and I have this free only. So I'm just going to click yabba dabba do and again random and just general. And if I would create another channel, I can just easily add them here. You would have the here in the list. So this is how you can add default channels. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you find this video helpful, you can support and subscribe. I'll be kind of thankful for it. That would be amazing. So thank you and have a great day and see you guys. Goodbye.